Okay.
Okay. You can read the question.
So, which of these features lets you control how long user level and event level data is stored by Google Analytics?
Yes.
I mean, it's probably this one right here.
Yes, this one. And do you know how long they allow to store the data?
I don't know, several years maybe, one couple of years.
Not couple years, maybe 14 up to 14 months. Sorry. Open your GA4, then you can see.
The dummy account or this is my account?
Click on data retention on the right side.
This one?
No, 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 not this one. Data retention. Yes, maybe maximum 14 months. Yes, you can click on the 14 months or 2 months. Yes, the maximum 14 months.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when you make the reports, create a new report in Explore. Okay, you can use the data of last 14 months. If you select here the 14 months, or if you select 2 months, then you can use only of the last 2 months data.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. Then next question.
If you wanted to analyze user journeys across a website and an app and see how new users were arriving at both, which of these techniques should you use for insights?
You know the answer.
You wanted to analyze user journeys across a website and an app and see how users were arriving at both. Which of these techniques would you use for insights? This one?
Yes, the last one.
Okay, so does it cost any money to take this test? The certification test?
No, no, no money.
How many times can I take it?
Mm, 1.5 hour maybe. 50 questions.
How many times can I take the exam?
The maximum around one. I forget it. One and half hour, the maximum.
No, no, no. Like, how many times can I take it? If I fail it the first time, can I take it again?
Okay, okay, okay. Maybe 90 days, maybe.
I have to wait 90 days before taking it again?
Yes, but I believe you will pass. I believe.
Where does it say that it's 90 days? Can you show me? Where can I go to see about this exam?
You have to be failed, then they will show you the mess.
It doesn't say
Okay.
it anywhere on their website that I have to
Mm,
wait 90 days.
uh, you can search on your ChatGPT. Okay, then it will show you
Mm.
90 days, or actually I can't remember at this time.
If I take the Google Analytics 4 certification and I fail, how many times can I take it? First of all, question mark. And also, how long do I have to wait before I can take it again? Question mark. And can you please send me the link to where I can read all this information on Google's website online about this certification?
24 hours. Okay, 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 got it. Sorry, this is maybe Upwork, 90 days. Okay. When I upload it on Upwork, they send me message on 90 days.
So,
What is this? April. Seventy 75 minutes.
so what do I have to get to do to take make to pass it?
So all the questions you have to
What's the
paste.
passing score? Do you know?
Okay, yes, yes, more 80% of the total mark.
80?
Yes,
So out of 50, if it was out of 100, it was 80%. So that would have been,
pass.
what is 80% of 50? 40 of them
85.
I have to get right?
Mm,
Okay, I think we have all of our questions
40%.
answered. This is Google Cloud stuff. Okay. Okay. Next.
Next, you are setting you're setting up Google Analytics and asked to set up another data.
I'm setting up Google Analytics and asked to set up a data stream as part of the process.
And you know
Which of
the
these describes a data stream? I think it's the first one.
yes, the first one.
Okay, brother. So after we go through these 50 questions on here, I think I should just take the test. Because if I can just keep taking it every 24 hour and it doesn't cost anything, why would I wait? I think we should just go through these once. I don't know how many more are on here. You got like 56 questions on here. Once we finish this 56 questions,
No, no,
I think we
they
should
are
just
not.
go ahead and go for the test.
No, no, they are not enough. Okay, like 150 question you have to read attentively, then go for it. Okay, all should be common.
Got it. Okay. The hell is this?
But I can see your improvement.
You think I'm getting better?
Yes, yes, you are doing the answer yourself.
Well, I haven't learned anything new since we started working on this. You have a mobile app and want to collect and send data from the app to your Google Analytics 4 property.
Yeah.
You have a mobile app and you want to collect and send data from the app to your GA4 property. Which of these should you use?
This is always Firebase.
Is this one you're saying?
Yes, Firebase.
What does SDK stand for? Software Development Kit?
Yes, software development kit. Firebase is for apps taking. Okay. And you have to integrate this Firebase account to GA4. Then you can track the activities on your app. You can see them on GA4.
Okay.
Okay. And then Firebase is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Ready-made cards. What is cards? Okay.
You want to find ready-made cards that address typical questions about how users are interacting with your app or website. Which section do you go in order to find this?
Okay, go to your GA4.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Reports.
Why?
Reports are things that you created. You said that, hey, I want to look at this metric, this one, this one, this one. You put it all together in a report so you can easily view those things every time you log in.
Okay, can you show me on GA4?
So I can make a custom report here, right? If I want to see
Yes.
my,
What is the cards?
I don't know what a card is. I'm assuming it's a
Okay.
report of some
Okay.
type.
All the things. Each are called. Each of them. It's called card. Like this box is a card.
Yeah.
Uh, yes. All the things is called individually called is card.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
yeah, you want to see in this one card, maybe I
Yes.
want to specifically see my page views, my bounce rate, and how many people land on my page about
Yes.
basketball,
A
blah, blah, blah.
dimension and matrix.
Yep. So all this, I believe, would be found in a report, right?
Yes.
So
And
that's the
ready made.
answer.
And there is no retention here. Okay. Retention will not work here. You
What
can
do you mean by
see
retention?
retention means the maximum of 14 months. Okay, you can see the data from the beginning of your uh, property, from the starting days of your properties, maybe 10 years of old. You can see the data of 10 years of old here, no issue.
Mm,
But when you want to create a report in the explore section, okay,
mm-hmm,
you can take only data of maximum 14 months of the last 14 months.
mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Then next question. Reports. Then once you have to do
Once you've deleted a property from your GA account, how many days does it take for the property to be permanently deleted?
immediately you can't delete it permanently. Okay, you have to wait 35 days.
Where does it show that in Google Analytics? Can we see it?
You have to delete it first.
Okay. 35.
Yes, 35. You have to remember the number. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, next. What is Google? Okay, this is your okay. You can make the answer.
What scope would be set for a custom dimension that reports membership status for a customer rewards program? What scope would be set for a custom dimension that reports membership status for a customer reward?
Okay,
Hold on, let me think about it for a second. I don't know. User?
Okay, first of all, you have to.
What? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, you have to know about scope. Okay, please go to your GA4. Okay, admin. Click on admin at the bottom.
I don't understand what the
Then,
question is asking. What is this question about? What is this asking me?
okay, when you create custom dimension or matrix, okay, there are three scopes. Okay, we can we
Okay.
can uh we can discuss on GA4. Okay, just scroll down little bit. Scroll down. Custom definition. Can you see? Okay. Now, when you create a custom dimension here on the right side, you can click on it, the button, create custom dimension.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see the scope. Keep your
Mm.
mouse on the question mark of scope. Okay, so when you click on the events,
I don't understand still. The scope defines the data with to which a custom dimension or metric will be applied. A custom dimension metric can have only one scope. I still have no idea what this means is talking about.
okay, like a dimension, okay, if it deals with a user, okay, not
Okay.
event. Event means like add to cart, purchase, begin checkout. User means my name, my email address, visitor email address. Okay, user
Yeah.
or visitor, user or visitor. You can think about it. And events like any event, uh, add to cart, purchase, or contact us from submission. These are called events. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If the dimension deals with users, this will be user scope. If the dimension deals with events like add to cart or something like, then it will be event scope. Okay. If you click on the event, then you can see three options there. Event, user, and items. Okay. Items is for e-commerce business.
So basically,
Dimension. I know you know what is dimension, what is matrix.
yeah.
So which dimensions deals with events? It will be event scope. And which dimension deals with user? It will be user scope.
Okay, can you please go ahead and explain this question to me and give me the right answer and basically use all types of analogies or whatever you can do to make it make sense for me because I'm a total beginner and having a really hard time understanding this concept even after looking at it in Google Analytics 4.
What it says session scope.
Huh?
Session scope. Heat scope.
What? What's the problem?
There is very less information about the scope, GA4 scopes.
This is not correct?
I don't know what is it is talking about. Session scope.
Mm. Oh.
Brother, what is user? Can you understand this? User means we,
Yeah,
visitor or we, human being that deals with human being. This can be user, and this can be user scope. Okay. So here membership status for customer. Okay. And this definitely should be the user. Okay. Status for a customer.
yeah, makes sense.
An event means event. Only an event. Maybe add to cart, purchase.
Yeah.
Okay, next. You want to start collecting data and report. You want to start collecting data. Okay, you know the answer.
You want to start collecting and reporting insights in Google Analytics for your website. What do you need to implement in order to start collecting and sending this data to Google Analytics? Firebase SDK, right?
No, no, no. Firebase only related to apps.
Okay, then Analytics SDK. No, no, wait. It would be an analytics tag, actually.
Yes, this is the mother thing. SDK go related to Firebase. Okay. Apps means Firebase simply. Okay. Now next question. You also know the next
Y-
question.
You're using last click attribution, but would like to see how first click attribution would value channels and campaigns. Which report can you use to find this insight? You would want to look at the conversion paths, right?
Model comparison.
What? Why?
Model comparison is the you can see there are two options on your G4.
Okay.
At the same time, you can see first click, last click. At the same time, go to your G4, then you can see
Ugh.
advertisement,
Huh?
advertisement on the left side, attribution model, attribution model, last click, and you can see like the other one, first click. You can compare them.
I'm not understanding what I'm looking at here. It doesn't make sense.
It is asking how you can uh, what is the question?
Ugh.
What
Hold on one second. Ugh. You're
you
using
are
last
you
click attribution, but would like to see how first click attribution would value channels and add campaigns.
yes. Now go to again G4. Suppose you want to see the attribution of last clicks here, the
I
first
want to see the word what of last click?
last click, just the click before conversion.
Right. So basically, what am I trying to, what is the question asking me exactly?
The
Like,
question is,
I want to see how did the first click impact people? Like how much influence did that have in them converting?
mm, you are using last click attribution, but uh, you want to see last click attribution or last click contribution. Okay. At the same time, you want to see first time also, first time clicks. Two
What does it mean? Would value
together.
channels and ad campaigns? Like what does that mean?
Value channels like how they come to your website, like from organic or paid. Okay, these are called channel. Okay,
Hmm.
The value means their contribution. The value of the value means the contribution of these channels, like value of organic search, value of paid campaigns.
Yeah. Let me just put this through ChatGPT because it's not making sense to me. Can you do the same for this one as well? I'm not understanding this one either. Hold on 1 second, bro.
Okay.
Dang, I have a class coming up a meeting coming up at 1:30 until 2 p.m.
Okay.
But after that I'll be free again, so we may have to take a small break because I'm at work right now. But let me confirm with the guy that we're meeting though. Okay, when he comes responds, I'll let you know, but let's just keep going until he says something. Okay, so This report shows you the sequence of interactions or touch points. Once user had on your website before converting, it's helpful for tracking the journey a user took. It doesn't directly compare different attribution model. Imagine you're following someone in a store as they walk from one section to another, but this test path doesn't show you how much each section influenced their decision to buy. It just tracks where they went. This won't tell you about the first click versus last click attribution, so it's not the right report for this comparison. This report shows how different user segments overlap, but it doesn't focus on attribution models. It helps you to see if two segments of your audience are visiting similar areas. This report shows how different user segments overlap, but it doesn't focus on attribution models. It helps you see if two segments of your audience are visiting similar areas or performing similar actions. It's like trying to see how many people visited both the bakery and the produce section in a grocery store. It's not about giving credit to where the person started, it's showing you overlapping behaviors. So it's not quite the right tool for attribution models. Model comparison. This is the right report for comparing different attribution models. You can use this to compare how different models, like the first click versus last click, assign credit to your marketing channels. Imagine you're shopping at a store. You want to know whether you should credit the first section you visited, first click, or the last section you last click for final purchase. The model comparison report is like a tool that shows you how much credit each section gets under different rules, attribution models. Let's see, compare how different attribution models, the first click and the last click, value the same actions in your campaigns. Funnel exploration. This report allows you to visualize the steps users take in your conversion process. It helps you understand where people drop off and how they move through the funnel. However, it doesn't show you how attribution models affect channel credit. Well, the guy never responded, so I guess we're not gonna meet. So we can just keep going. It's 1:30 p.m. right now. He never responded. Um, This is like tracking how many people start shopping, add things to their cart, and check out, but it doesn't tell you which part of the shopping experience should get the credit for the sale. So this doesn't help either. Model comparison is the report you want. It allows you to compare how different attribution models, first click and last click, distribute credit across your channels and campaigns. It's exactly what you're looking for. You want to compare how many different attribution models, first click versus last click, value your marketing channels and campaigns. The model comparison report shows you that comparison, making it the best choice. I didn't really understand. Is there any way that we can look at each of these in Google Analytics?
Yes, but this is little bit advanced. Okay, you can skip it, brother. For now, you can skip it. You can leave it for now. This is advanced.
Okay.
You have to know a lot of things to if you want to understand this deeply. Okay, next question. Who is attribution models? First credits. Machine algorithm. This is easier for you.
Okay.
So you know first click, last click. Now,
Which attribution model spreads credit for a conversion across different touch points through the use of machine learning algorithms? Um, Data driven?
yes, this is the AI attributes the model contribution of credits. Okay, first click, last clicks are very specific, but data driven allows attributes the credits equally.
Um, what do audience triggers allow you to do?
Audience, yes,
Audience triggers.
audience trigger.
Create new events based on audience rule being satisfied. Audience trigger.
Maybe this is
Create new
repeated
events based
question.
on audience rule being satisfied. Create new audiences based on predictive metrics. Create new events based on existing event parameters. Create new audiences based on specific events that are triggered. Audience triggers allow you to do. Create new audiences based on specific events. Create new events based on audience rule being satisfied. I think it's the first one. I think it's A.
Yes, this is repeated question. We have already discussed this before. Okay, next. You have started a new goal that we content would like to make a video. What is the links? Also, you know the answer of the next question. Can you show me how you can link your Google Ad account to GA4?
Um, yeah, hold on one second. The guy just messaged me.
Okay.
My teammate. Okay, you started a new GA Google Ads account and would like to link it to your Google Analytics property so that I can see detailed marketing campaign data. Where in my Google Analytics for property can I manage product links like this with one Google Ads? Okay. I started a new Google Ads account, would like to link it to my Google Analytics property so that I can see detailed marketing campaign data. Where in my GA4 property can I see this ads? Um, I don't know, man. I think this one is gonna be probably.
You can try on your GA4.
Actually, I have to go, bro. So I have a meeting for like 30 minutes.
Oh,
Do you want to meet again after 30 minutes or do you want to call it? I'll be free in like 30 or less minutes.
okay. If you are available, then just knock me.
Okay. Okay, man. Sounds good. Thank you. Sorry about that. Sorry, it's just
Okay.
trying to squeeze in time
Okay.
between work hours. But yeah, I'll be
Okay.
free shortly again.
Okay, brother.
Oh,
Just
thanks.
okay.
Bye.
Thank.